Leo. This is your channel messages for my Leo placements. Leo, oh, don't leave me now. Jack, no, we must get better. You say you want, see a money man. Look how far we are. Hi, Leo. Look, he's back. I tell you, he comes, he or she, he visits me every day. Take a bet. Oh, sorry. Wait, hold on, Leo. Take a bet. Man, if you left, better say you come back again. You know, remember the days when I want cream crackers we a eat and gone out with bed. Make a man with a Benz get in your head. So you start give me attitude. One of my friends tell me no know if I true, but me know if you start move loose. Really would I do me that? After me tell you say I love you bad. Can't buy a Benz or a house for you, but me give you everything when me have. Leo, you really would I do me that? After me tell you say me love you bad. Me can't buy a Benz or a house for you, but me give you everything when me have. No, God no, don't leave me now. God no, we must get better. No, don't leave me now. God no, we must get better. You want left me for your money, gal. Look how far we are come from. Me getting Leo. You want somebody was coming from far, Leo. I'm getting this person was there for you when you had nothing. Maybe when you just started out. I'm getting when you went on top, you leave the person behind. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, looking so high, and you find a way to hold me, knowing I'm the one who put you up there. Is you tired? Does it ever get lonely? Thinking you can live without me. Thinking you can live without me. Knowing I'm the one who put you up there. Yeah, Leo, I'm getting somebody to help you reach the top. I'm getting when you reach the top, you trade our out. So I don't know if you're in the industry, Leo. I don't know if you're a music producer. Me get you were with a girl and she was with you from the beginning. I don't know if you find one new talent or you're just so you're mesmerized over somebody new in the industry. I'm getting you swap her out, you sell her out. You sold out the woman who was there for you when you and I didn't have one pair of slippers. When you and I just share one blood clot towel because you couldn't afford to buy two towel, Leo, she was there for you. And as soon as you got on, or as soon as you got the contract, you were like, what the fuck am I doing with this bitch on my arm? She can't help me. Now I'm in the industry. Now I got money. Now I have options. Yeah. A woman's loyalty is tested when a man has nothing. And a man's loyalty is tested when him have everything. Let us go. Leo. We got Cupid's arrow coming out first. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting. We have palm tree, somebody might be from the island. Stability, security, permanency, growth, endurance, and flexibility. Yeah. Maybe somebody foreign, Barbados, Trinidad, Guyanese, Jamaican. Maybe getting someone was there when you had nothing. Maybe you use for them swag for help you with your ideas. I'm getting as soon as you start revenue and make money, you leave the person behind. So I go, not today. Not dealing with hurt, avoiding conversation, boundaries, still angry, and we have girl talk. Yeah, time with friends, moving on, happily single. Yeah, so I'm getting. Don't worry, you have friends around you, and even if you don't have friends around you, women, this is something that we go through, right? Sometimes I do one man and everything not now go on, and the man loyal no blood clots. Not now go on and the man accused you of cheating every blood clot day. And as soon as the man get money, as soon as him sign a contract, as soon as him start seeing name on official documents that has logo at the back, him throw you aside and decide him not need you no more. Somebody might have left you pregnant, right? Or them leave you, them got you in a bind and then leave you. This is things that women go through. Understand? And the runner. Yeah, he a runner, he a track star. He go run away when he becomes a star, right? Gonna run away when he becomes a star. You know, so that's why a lot of Hollywood people them pass around the mates. them pass around people. Big Sean was with Ariana Grande. No, he was with, what's your name? If your nigga come close to me, he's ain't going where he's supposed to be. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta eat my booty like groceries. He gotta get rid of these hoes for me. If he wants me to expose the freak, ooh, that's how it's supposed to be, right? He was with Big Sean was with her first, and then break up with her, and then was with Ariana Grande, and then break up with her, and then he was back with her, and he actually got her pregnant. And me not like Big Sean and whatever what's your name, but two of them look like a beautiful couple. But that's why it happened. We're getting as soon as somebody got on, they left you. I like you. I do. I wanna be a friend, go shopping in the Benz. I like you. I do. We would be better friends if we woke up in Japan. Maybe that's what you need to do. You should have taken the love of your life and move to blood clot Japan. A man not go look you, no woman not go look you. A two one alone over there. Maybe you're planning to go to fucking Japan. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, let me know when you're free, cause I've been trying to hit you all week, eh? As soon as Post Malone make Doja Cat show her breast, them she cut off her hair. And then sing, ooh, I'm a devil, I'm a real motherfucker, I'm a rebel. Like can take our femininity away from her. We have Libra coming out first. Yeah, something about a Libra, something about partnership, okay? We have go outside, I'm outside. What more do you want? Call this, okay? We have the hangman. I mean, I don't know if somebody did leave you and you were supposed to be so depressed, you die of a broken heart. Are you so depressed because now you see the man who left you on stage and him on camera and him with this new woman and him a give her every single thing that you was rightfully supposed to get. So you get so depressed and kill yourself. Hang yourself on a tree outside. We have phone number. We have guru. And we have witch doctor. Yeah. So I'm getting somebody fuck up your relationship, somebody sabotage it. Or one witch doctor tell one Leah say, yeah man, me can make your dreams come true, but you have to give me a sacrifice. And the Leah sacrifice you. He gave you up as a sacrifice so him could have make it big. But me getting he only sacrificed you for a one hit wonder. Right? One hit wonder and that was it. As soon as you left and he got his big debut, that was it. Now him have to mourn around Hollywood now I try to find the next bitch for sacrifice, right? Or I'm have to try to find the next girl for live off, alright? You know, I remember one time I was in a shelter and one guy called one Ukrainian girl was in the shelter too. And him call her one pedophile for some reason. And I don't know why him said that to her. I'm gonna start cuss off him. I say, dirty blood clot you. I call the girl pedophile. And then the worker for the shelter is like, who's using the P word? I'm like, bitch, what the fuck is special? I'm sorry. Is this bitch crazy? She special or something? What do you mean who's using the P word? You afraid to say pedophile? Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. But say Kendrick Lamar, but say he made everybody be singing the word pedophile now, huh? She was like, who's using the P word? You cannot use the P word in a fucking shelter. We can't use the P word. We can't use the pussy word, but we can't use the pedophile word. Imagine you perform that. Dun, dun, certified lover boy, certified pedophile, right? What the fuck, right? Which doctor? Getting somebody fuck up their shit. I'm getting somebody trade you out for one young girl. Yeah, and your man at 30 odd, you getting him get one ripe 18-year-old for replace you with. Don't ask me, I'm just reading the fucking cards. We have the Queen of Wands coming out first. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius woman, right? We have the Seven of Cups. We have the Page of Cups. And we get an Eight of Wands. Now, this could be something that's being said about you. Because I'm getting your man left you for somebody younger, so you decide to deal with somebody younger too. Queen of Wands, I'm getting some, not a cougar, but I'm getting you supposed to be with somebody younger than you, or something like that. Or you're considering being with this guy. I'm getting you one black woman, or you're melanated, or you high skin complexion, and then there's another guy, I'm getting him white. Caucasian, or whatever you want to call it. I'm getting a feel weird for knowing a guy here because I'm younger than you. So the fuck what? So the fuck what? As long as him legal and him mature. Cause some man not take up your young guy when him them don't even know how them know fucking nothing. You tell them say you want a pad with wings and then go buy you one pad and wings. Never mind. I'll actually take that. Never mind. That's actually not that bad. Never mind. Right? We have the nine of wands and we have the three of cups. We're getting if you're an older woman, you know you do with this younger youth and you feel like him don't attracted to you. You feel like him attracted to younger women that look like him, younger women that are into the things that he's into. Maybe you're insecure because you feel like this. If you're a black woman, you feel like this white guy really like white woman. Him don't like black women. Or I'm only with you because of what you can do for him. I'm getting you wonder should I date older, should I date younger? I'm getting date who like you. Date who is treating you well. Right? I am vanilla babe. I'll choke your mind, gonna kill you, babe. She's 28, tell him he's 24 and you told him that he's still a baby. He wasn't a baby. He actually drove. He actually, he does his taxes. He gives back to the community, right? Nine of wands. Yeah, watch out. We have the devil card and we have the death card coming out. So I'm getting something about your relationship will change completely. Or maybe someone's like, yeah, that's weird. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, like what the fuck? I'm getting something about a Scorpio. Or am I getting, yeah, somebody you sacrifice your love. That's what them did. Them sacrifice your love to get into the industry. That's why after you left them, you couldn't be in another relationship. I'm getting every relationship you're going on, I saw it end. With fuckery, toxicity, police being called. Somebody I sell you out. Somebody I try to abuse you. This is how all the relationship ended. Me getting you want to be with somebody younger. I don't know how much younger. Could be 10 years, 6 years. I don't know, man. Hopefully, this is not 18 to 28. That's weird. If it's 24 to 34, maybe that's better, but not 18 to 28. That's very young. Even though some of them 70-year-old man you had there with 18-year-old woman, right? We're getting something is acceptable if the man is old and the woman is younger. But if the woman old and the man younger, then everybody want to criticize you. Don't worry about it. The guy is not. The guy don't have an issue. You have an issue. The guy don't have an issue. So why you worrying about it? Or me getting a saying that you know one with nobody who in the industry. Once them have a name for themselves or them in the industry, you know want them. If them a singer, rapper, anything, if them work around the industry, you don't want them. You want somebody who has never worked in the industry before, or you want somebody normal. So you could be a fucking international actress. You want to be with a bank teller. Confirmation. You could be an international singer, right? I'm getting you want there with one, I don't know, you want there with somebody who not in the spotlight. That's what you want. I'm getting, you don't want me to see a mistake. Or you don't want an industry man. Get a Knight of Swords. Something moving fast now. Fast that shit. Two more and I'm gone. Witch doctor. I'm getting, you know, want to deal with them old man, yeah. While pass around each other, right? While listen to friend. I'm getting you want somebody brand new. Somebody inexperienced. The page of cups. I'm getting you experience. You could be a model also. I'm getting you experience. I'm getting the page of cups. It's not that you're not experienced, but I'm getting him not industry. Or if he is in the industry, he more behind the scenes. We're getting somebody work on a lot of women though. Maybe somebody's in a woman dominated field, or somebody work around highly intoxicated people. This could be what you call it? Relief, what you call it? Something relief. Me getting the guy or you work around people who intoxicated, or people who come close to death, near death experiences, people who overdose. You might work in the medical field. Me getting that's what you do for your living. You work with people who almost dead, people who don't have them soul, people who do a lot of drugs, who overindulge. Me getting that's who you work with. Maybe you live around that, you see a lot of that, you don't want to be with no drug addict, you don't want to be with no, not drug addict, you don't want to be with any drug dealer, you don't want to be with no killer, no murderer, you don't like no bad boy, you know that blood clot fuck. You getting once it look demonic, you don't like it. Maybe somebody full up a tattoo, you don't want that to have blood clot again. You get it once it look dangerous, you don't want it. You don't want a gunman, you don't want a criminal, you don't want a don, you don't want none of them people there. No P the sugar cookie combs type of vibe. You don't want none of them man there. You want somebody who very, 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 very pure. Yeah, the eight of swords, the four of cups, and the king of pentacles. I'm getting you rather stay alone until I get this person. Or I'm sorry, I'm getting if you're a woman, you have a lot of money, but you're not going to choose a partner until you're sure that the partner is going to be willing to spend on you and provide for you. I'm going to leave it here. Leo, until next time.